Hello Vivekians, welcome back to the English class. I am your Rekha ma'am. Students, as chapter 4, what is it is going on. Yesterday you had done phonics and today we will do word power riddle time. And our lesson objective is to read the clues and find the answers. So students, shall we start? Now, come on page 39 of English course book. First of all, write down today's date. Now come to the point, riddle time. What is a riddle? A riddle is a type of question that describes something in a confusing way and has a funny or clever answer. So students, what is a riddle? Riddle is like a mysterious question which you ask, giving just a clue, and other person has to guess the answer. Now we will solve some riddles. Turn to page 40. The clues has been given in the form of pictures. Choose the correct answer and write below the question. Students, in this, clues has been given in the form of pictures. You have to choose the correct answer and write it. The first riddle is, what has 4 legs and we can sit on it? Look at pictures. What has 4 legs and we can sit on it? Try it. Good. Chair. Second is, what has a face and 2 hands but no legs? Students, try to answer. What has a face and 2 hands but no legs? Good. Clock. Next is, it turns into powder as we write with it. What is it? Students, वो क्या है? जब हम लिखते हैं वो पाउडर में चेंज हो जाता है. Think it, try it. Good. Chalk. Now let's try 6. Riddle time. Each clue given below will help you complete the word. Fill in the blanks with words from the help box to complete each word. One has been done for you. In this, clues are given in the form of pictures and you have to complete the blanks with words from the help box. Now, come to the part A. I have 2 sleeves and 1 collar. That is shirt. Now part B. I am shorter than trousers, generally knee length, but can also be shorter than that. Look at picture. It is shorter than trousers. What is that? Think it. Good. Shorts. Next, part C. I have 2 wings and a tail but need fuel to fly. Try to answer. It has 2 wings and 1 tail but need fuel to fly. What is that? That is aeroplane. Next, part D. I am a train that goes underground and over the ground. I run a shorter distance than a train. It is a train that goes underground. ऐसी ट्रेन जो अंडरग्राउंड भी चलती है और ओवर द ग्राउंड भी. And it runs shorter distance than a train. What is that? Think it. Good. That is metro. Now come on page number 41. Part E. I am born in pairs but there is no right or left in this pair. Yes, you have to warn in pairs. But उसका ना कोई right है और ना ही left. Think it. What is that? Very good. It's a pair of socks. Next, part F. I give you shade and rhyme with tap. Students, think it. What give you shade and rhyme with tap? Good. Cap. Next, part G. I am a cot that protects you from the rain. Tell me, which cot protects you from rain? Good, raincoat. Parents are requested to help their kids in completing Let's Try 6. That's all for the day. Please read the given instructions. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.